Hello everyone. Previously, we had seen what control statements are. Basically, today we'll be continuing with the loops. When I say loops, we'll be going with for loop, while loop, as well as the do while loop. So basically, what does loops do? Loops iterate over the data structures or execute the code repeatedly until certain condition is met. This is very vital for the efficient data processing as well as task automation. We'll see with the example. So what I'll do, I'll just come here. Let me right click over on new. Let me click on Java class. I'll just give the name loops example. Let me click. Let me hit the enter. Next, what I'll do, I'll just give public static void main. Let me give string also arguments, right? First, what I have done, this defines the public class named loop example. Next, we have defined the main method. Next, let's give the example, or let's continue with the for loop, right? I'll just comment this one for the reference. We'll just give for loop. Let me give here for n I equals 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. So basically what we have done here is we have initialized I to 0, this one, int I equals 0, right? Then while I is less than 5 here, I less than 5 we have given. So increment I by 1 each iteration. That's what we are doing here. I'll just give system out println. I'll just give for loop. Here, let me give plus I. What does this indicate? We are printing for loop followed by the value of I for the each iteration, right? This is it. This is the simple example for loop. Next, we'll be going with the while loop. I'll just comment this one and write while loop. So first, let's initialize j to 0. I'll just give and j equals 0. Next, let's loop while j is less than 5. I'll just make use of while j less than 5. So I'll just give, let's print while loop. Same thing, I'll just give plus I. Here what we are doing, we are printing the string while loop followed by the value of j, right? This has to be j. We have considered j, right? Sorry, this is not I basically. Here, let's increment j by 1. I'll just give j plus plus. This is the simple example of while loop. Next, let's continue with the do while loop. So I'll just comment this one and write do while loop. So here, let me initialize k to 0. Let's start the do while loop. Initially, I'll just give do. This is nothing but starting of the do while loop. I'll just print saying do while loop plus here I'll just give k. So what does that say? What we are doing here, we are just printing do while loop followed by the value of k. Next, let's increment the k by 1. How we'll do that one? Let's give k plus plus. So we are incrementing k by 1. Next, let's make use of while. When we are incrementing the value of k, while k is less than 5. That is nothing but we are looping while k is only less than 5. I'll just give k less than 5, right? Just comment this one and write for the reference. We are looping while k is less than 5, right? This looks good. Let me run the code. Let's wait for some time. So here you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 for the for loop. And while loop 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing. For the do while also we have to get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is it. And next we'll go with the arrays. This is it for now. Thanks for watching, guys.